Okay, I heard you. So you want to learn how to create this eyeshadow look. All you gotta do is ask. All you're gonna need for this look is a neutral eyeshadow palette, some shimmer, and eyeliner. Lots and lots of eyeliner. Starting from this light shade from this Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna tuck this right into the inner corner there to really brighten this area up. So far, not too bad, huh? Now what I like to do is I like to pick up a cooler tone that's a little bit deeper. So I can pop it into the crease and give my eyes some shape. Then let's take a clean blending brush. This is the Refer 01 brush. And just kind of just blend this up and out. Yeah. You see what that does there? It gives the illusion that I have a lot of lid space to work with when in fact you and I both know I have quite tiny little eyes. But for right now, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's move on to the next step, which is where it gets a little bit more fun. I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty. It's like this shadow stick. This is in the shade 01, and this is a great first step to the look we're trying to create, which is a very shimmery lid. You see how that lays down the blueprint for the direction we're going? Let's go ahead and amplify this with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. If you don't have this, you can use any shimmer that you have, but this is really beautiful as well. And a little goes a long way. We're not looking for a foil metallic effect. So we want to keep these glitter particles quite scattered. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is where it gets a little intimidating for me at least. I'm gonna take a gel eyeliner. This is from Maybelline. It's their Lasting Drama gel liner. Pick it up with an eyeshadow, or excuse me, an eyebrow angled brush. I don't know, it took me a second to say. You can see here, I'm starting from the inner corner with a really thin line, getting right up at that lash line and then kind of winging it out. Now I'm going to flip the brush over so that the longest hairs are pointed towards the outside of the eye. I'm going to bring it inwards. Watch this. The shortest hairs should always go in the direction that you're dragging this brush in. So the longest hairs should follow, and that'll get you a really beautiful swoop. All right, you see what's happening there? Now I'm going to take my finger. And there we go. Now head on over to part 2 so we can finish up this look.